Now, for more details on that rather flat domestic market, I spoke to Geoff Beeston from Lonsec. Well, Geoff Beeston, thanks for making the ultimate sacrifice and joining us on Melbourne Cup Day.
Thanks, Phil. Good to be here.
Well, a quiet day on the share market, to be expected, I suppose, given the Cup Day public holiday.
Absolutely. So it was very quiet in trading this morning. I think regional and local investors are really waiting to see the outcome of the midterm elections in the United States, and perhaps more importantly, the policy going forward from the FOMC meeting in relation to how the Fed is going to manage quantitative easing. So we did see fairly low volumes on the market today. Post the interest rate announcement, of course, we saw fairly strong buying into the banks, with the financials up about 0.5%, but broadly the ASX 200 closed flat.
Well, the Reserve Bank, of course, caught pundits largely by surprise in raising interest rates. What was the impact on the share market?
I think you'll probably see two effects here. Short term, we'll obviously see strength in the local currency. Medium term, I think you'll see this really impact the domestic household sector and also local business and really the retail discretionary space. But also looking at our exporters, if you're dealing with currency, we'll see some definite impacts on our exporters there.
And how have investors reacted to the profit warning from Leighton Holdings?
Well, this is Leighton's actually gave a profit warning of about $85 million downgrade on their first quarter 2011 profits. Now, this was really due to three factors. The first factor was the stronger local currency impacting offshore earnings, and also delays in their Brisbane Airport Link project and a write-down in the Western Australian Rail Link project. Investors reacted fairly poorly to the announcement. Leighton's was down 7% today.
And this is interesting. What do you make of the speculation around Westfield and a possible splitting of its assets?
Well, absolutely. There was obviously speculation was rife this morning, and Westfield was the real bright spot in an otherwise flat market. Westfield traded as high as $12.85. Now the stock's up 5% this week, and obviously the investors are looking for the potential for a major asset sale or the split of the Australian and US assets of Westfield. Westfield put their stock into a trading halt this afternoon, so we'll be looking very closely at what that announcement entails.
Well, Geoff Beeston, we'll have to leave it there. Thanks for your time.
Thank you for having me, Phil.